welcome back to my channel. Ani thering kharchena thering a prank video chi. Say ito. This one ayo kare hasana na song ni mo. The thering a prank video chi say when the social and baby to the say ya. Ani thandara aja ko walk to sang walk to this not 12 minute ba. Hello re. En chere. Tu. Da shit ki shonga oksali. Hello re prank video the khar so sa danga. Actually, Tibetan, Oma, it key to Sudasra. On to Sira, chick now, Langamo, normal to and the Aja Terra, chick that baby took then a dame. Maybe took then the Namu Malu, I said, Salwaya. And the Ajala in the Liba, I chung like Pegalic and dish Shimbu Ani Shimbu Mene Shimbu Yudon to Chia Lalimba, Ani Koi, Shimbu and Shimbu Yudon to Chia. The taste yes or the courage reaction that was captured she was. I'm at the server. And to lead and my teacher could there. I can let them work at this successful show. I thought that I heard some look for stuff I need. I shall end Lara, hello. I shall let Chini, you put the day to then as how would they to then reaction pen. I shall have Frank shows on casuals about color the little to almost look this look to the such. I shall let her look showers on cousin. Acha let's hello and Aja the reaction is what you can took then because reaction captures for but you guys Aja reaction moving out of this took the reaction chits so much so do ya can see that all. Sama to the listen at Druku. Now Aja is so walk in the conditions walk. Oh, yeah, put some there. Was it dieting?
Yes. Let me we have a race, not the total race.
Two races. Who won?
One she won, one I won.
Oh, really? I have a surprise for you guys.
Okay, I'm excited.
It's my camera is open. What? Are you excited?
Yes.
How excited are you?
Very much.
Very much.
Because it's food.
Yeah, and I put all my hard work in it.
Yeah, I told him.
Because I'm not a good cook, you guys know it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll bring the food. Where are you guys gonna sit?
Here.
Yeah, okay, I'll serve you then. Here, come sit. Wait. Sit here.
Hey.
So how excited are you to taste Achumba's water dishes?
Okay. Let me do this.
Okay,
Sit. So don't eat, okay? Don't eat right now. So what I was trying to make is like when it's dosa, we usually eat desi, right? You know desi. So I was trying to make desi, and I really did so hard work. So I really put so much hard work in this rice. So I hope you guys like it. Okay? Wait. First. No need to omao because it's leftover rice.
I can't remember, but
Wait. First reaction from Aja. First let mommy eat, okay?
I want to eat.
How is it? It's good. Yeah, thank you.
Can I try?
Thank you. Oh my god. Yes, try. How is it?
Just give me a bigger spoon.
I'm sorry. Do you want this?
It's yummy.
Yeah. So Duktan wants a bigger spoon.
but I think you should eat slowly, Mama.
Is it yummy? Oh my god. Yeah, thank you. Cook. I'll cook this for tomorrow morning's breakfast also, okay?
It's very yummy, but I'm on a diet.
Okay, so she's on a diet.
No, Dukdin, no, I don't want to eat too much. Dukdin is also on a diet.
Yeah. Should I eat it? So guys, I want to. Why? Why? Out of 10, how much are you gonna rate me?
9.
9. And Aja?
9.
Guys, to be honest, now stop eating. It's a prank.
So much salt. Too much. Give me water.
Pour it down.
Mother, how much you mom?
Oh my god, Ruktan, thank you so much. You're such a good brother.
I still want
Oh, you have to love me that much.
The salt, I said, mom, the salt.
So I think
you're so humble also.
I think
I'll make something else for you, okay?
I think Duktan loves my salty rice, and the prank went successful. Aja, how was it?
That
Because
was too salty.
I thought to put sugar, that I thought to prank you. It was. So it was a success, guys. So how much would you rate my prank?
10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. 9, 10 out of 10.
Okay,
Oh,
guys.
you're a prank.
Yeah.
0. It didn't work on me.
It worked on you. You're just overacting. Bye, guys. Do she say like?
So what do you
share,
have to say?
subscribe.
What do you have to tell on YouTube? What they have to do?
Subscribe or
Then like, share, and
subscribe.
subscribe.
Or I'm going to come into your house with chocolate.
Okay, bye, guys.
Slowly kisses passing by.